Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can search on the Intelius website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, I have opened the website, and after opening the website, now what we have to do if you want to search by name, so what we have to do simply we have to provide the name here, and after providing the name, we have to provide the last name here, and then we have to provide the city here, and then we have to search the state here. We have to, if you want to add the state, you can also do that. As you can see, here's an option for the this is me. If you want to search for yourself, you can also do that. And after providing these all details, you just need to click on the search, and after clicking on the search, you will get all the relevant searches. So as you can see, I have provided just random one, so that's why I'm not getting this. So as you can see, yes, I will lived in the, if you want to click on the yes, you can also answer these questions for their betterment of the results. So let's click on the I don't know, and as you can see, now it's done. So in this way, you can search any kind of detail, any kind of record on the Intelius website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can search that. So see you guys in the next video.